Every war story we hear usually talks about power, victory, and borders, but very rarely do. We talk about the silent enemy that lingers long after the explosions stop. For centuries, humans have created weapons filled with chemicals, poisonous compounds, designed not just to destroy buildings, but to attack life itself. During the World War I, gases like chlorine and mustard gas were released on battlefields. These chemicals didn't just kill instantly. They slowly burned the lungs, blinded the eyes, and suffocated soldiers from the inside. Later, the world witnessed tragedies like the Halabja chemical attack, where entire communities were poisoned by nerve agents that shut down the nervous system in minutes. But the damage doesn't end when the smoke disappears. Bomb explosions release toxic dust filled with heavy metals, radioactive particles, and burned industrial chemicals. When this poisonous dust enters the air, it travels through our lungs into the bloodstream. Over time, it can damage the brain, weaken the immune system, scar lung tissue, and even alter human DNA. And the earth suffers too. Explosions contaminate soil and water for decades. Toxic residues seep into rivers, crops absorb them from the ground, and animals unknowingly carry these poisons through the food chain. Scientists have found that areas exposed to prolonged bombing show increased cancers, birth defects, respiratory diseases, and collapsing ecosystems. Yet despite all this knowledge, despite centuries of scientific evidence, humanity continues to build more powerful weapons. We speak about protecting the future, but every bomb dropped today leaves a chemical shadow that future generations will breathe tomorrow. Perhaps the real question is not how powerful our weapons are, but whether we are wise enough to stop using them. Because the deadliest weapon in war is often the one you cannot see.